Hey guys, welcome back to Pure South Pastures. I'm Mark. So today I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to do a review of a product. This company reached out to me and asked me to try their boots and give an honest review. And so that's what I'm going to do. I feel like I'm qualified to do this, and I feel like it's something that I can easily do because I wear rubber boots every day to work here on the farm. So because we have high grass and the moisture in the mornings, it's very humid here, so everything's wet. I wear rubber boots every morning. Most days during the day I wear rubber boots. Sometimes in the middle of the day I'll put on a pair of, when it's dried out, I'll put on a pair of leather boots, some Red Wing boots, but most of the time I'm wearing rubber boots. And I've worn I would say every major brand of rubber boots. Honestly, I've not been satisfied with most in the later years. More recently, it seems like they were made better previously, but I have not been satisfied recently until I'm actually wearing a lesser known brand currently, and they seem to be doing great so far. So anyway, that's kind of interesting, but this is a company I've never heard of. The company that reached out to me is called Trudave, and I'll share the link with you there and the information on the video. I went to Trudave's website and I picked out this pair of boots. They just asked me to pick out the pair that I wanted. Picked out this pair of boots, and it's another one of their companies or another one of their names, and it's called Wovenpack. That's the name of these boots, Wovenpack. So I want to unbox these, and then I'm going to just kind of share with you what I think of them, just right out of the box. I haven't worn these yet. And then I'm going to actually put them to the test, and I'll give down the road, I'll give an even, I think, better review because I will have used them after several weeks, putting them to the test, putting them to work. And then even after a longer period of time, I'll share with you what I think about them after that. So anyway, this is the Wovenpack boot. You can go on Trudave's website and find this. I think these also are available on Amazon, so you can check that out. I wear a 13. So you can see here, you can look these up. The Wovenpack is they have all the social logos here. So Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, look up Wovenpack. You can see the name right there. And so let's open these babies up and see what we got. So this is it's got an anti-slip protective outsole, 6mm CR flex foam insert, 100% waterproof top to bottom, and a comfortable insole. This is in the brown. I chose the brown color. All right, here we go. Packaged nicely. Boxes, yeah, it's nice. All right, so my first impression when I saw these, I wasn't really crazy about this part of the boot, just from looks. But I'm not too worried about that. I mean, I'm working in them, right? I don't really care what they look like. There's great tread though. I wear a 13. That's what it says, 13 here, but the tread and the sole seems to be stout. It's not just gonna bend up in the center. Seems like a solid footbed. And really one of the things I notice immediately is the rubber it's just really flexible, really pliable. And then this part is neoprene. It's got a neoprene feel. So I like the pull-on strap. I'll put these on in just a second. So they just at first glance, just looking at them, they seem to be pretty nice. It really seems to me like if this rubber will hold up, being that flexible, that pliable, it's not a real rigid feeling material. It's I don't know, it seems to flex. Seems like everything is put together well. I don't see any places where it looks like it's gonna come apart. Got the logo here, logo here. Wovenpack warrants this product to be free from defects in materials and workmanship for 1 year. They are made in China. So, so far, so good. They look pretty good. Let me put them on. I'll cut the video, put them on, and I'll talk to you about how they seem to feel. Okay, so I've put the boots on, and they really seem as comfortable as any boot that I've worn. They don't slip. The 13 for me it's what I normally wear, and the 13 seems to fit great. You can see here on my feet. Nice looking boot. This is really it makes it really comfortable because that neoprene is super soft and pliable. But I mean, this you can see how pliable that is. If those hold up, man, I'm telling you, if they hold up to farm wear and work use, bro, those are some comfortable boots. So we'll put them to the test. So there you have it. I feel qualified to try these babies out, so that's what we're gonna do. I'll put them to work. I'll show you some more out in other videos when we're out doing some work. I'll kind of highlight what I'm thinking about them, and then I'm gonna do a later review, a full review after I've worn them. I mean, unboxing's one thing. I don't want to tell you anything about something until I've worn it, put it to the test, put it through some stuff, and that's what we do here. So I'll check them out, and I'll let you know more about it. So you can get these on Amazon, but if you go to the Trudave website, you can use my discount code. My discount code is DryFeet. That's my personal discount code, so you can get 15% off of anything that you purchase there. They have waders, work boots, hunting boots. So I encourage you to go check out the Trudave boots. These Wovenpacks are on there as well. Like I said, if you just want the ease of Amazon, you can go purchase them at Amazon too and get these exact boots there. But if you want that discount, I believe you have to use that discount code at the Trudave website. So I'll put all of that in the description below. Check it out. Go grab some if you want to do that, or if you want to wait until I do a full review on them, then I understand that too. So we'll put them to the test. We'll see how it goes. But thanks for watching the video today. Follow along. We'll be checking these out, and down the road I'll give you a better review of them. So God bless you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.